Hello everyone, my dear student. Today we are going to solve this question: 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. Hence, find the value of m for which y equal to mx plus 3. They have given one expression which is y equal to mx plus 3. This y equal to mx plus 3, from this expression we have to find m value. So in this, y should be a constant or not. Y value, when you will find, you will get like 1 2 3, any value, any number. This one should be constant. X value also will be constant. Then 3 is already constant. If we put the values, then we can find this m value. So they have given two equation. First one is 2x plus 3y equal to 11. Second one is 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. This is the two equation they have given. So what is given? Let solution, we can write, we have what we have, we will write down first of all. We can see what 2x plus 3y equal to 11, 2x plus 3y equal to 11, 2x plus 3y equal to 11. We can give this is equation number Roman 1, and another one is 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. We can give this is equation number Roman 2. In this two equation, we can see there is 2x, and in the second equation also 2x. It means x term are same. If 2x 2x, it means x, coefficient of x also 2, coefficient of x here also 2. It means both are same, 2x 2x. If it is same, then we have to see the symbol. Before, in the first equation, before 2x there is plus symbol. In the second equation, before 2x here is plus symbol. If the symbols are same, then what we have to do? We have to do subtraction. We have to do minus. When you are going for minus, then what will be? You are doing what? Subtraction. You can write here. You can write here subtracting. When you are doing minus here, then plus symbol will be minus. Similarly, minus symbol will be plus. Minus symbol will be plus. So when we are doing here subtraction, then in this second equation the symbols should be changed. Then plus 12 2x will be minus 2x, plus minus 4y will be plus 4y, minus 24 will be plus 24. I hope you can understand. Then there is minus 2x, here is plus 2x. So minus 2x plus 2x will be cancelled. Minus 2x and plus 2x will be cancelled. It means what? Plus 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Similarly, plus 2x and minus 2x, plus and minus it will be cancelled. Then what is remain? Plus 3y plus 4y, plus 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3 how much? 7y equal to 7y equal to 11 previous it was minus 24, now it is plus 24. So 11 plus 24, how much? 35. Which implies y equal to 35 by 7. Therefore y equal to 35 divided by 7. 7 5s are 35. So y equal to 5. 35 by 7, it means 7 5s are 35. Like that, y equal to 5. It means we got from these two equation y value. Now we have to find the x value. We can write here putting, or we can write, since we are using here substituting method, so we can write here substituting this value. This value means what? Y equal to 5. Substituting this value, or we can write y equal to 5 in equation. We can see there is two equations. We can choose any one and we can put y value, then we can find the x value. But we are trying to choose always the easiest one, the easier one. So here is plus 2x plus 3y 11. So there is no minus symbol. If the equation there is no any minus symbol, then it is easy to put the value and find the answer for another term. So substituting y equal to 5 in equation Roman 1. If anybody want to put the y value in equation number 2 also, then also no problem, you can put. So in equation 1 Roman 1, we get, or we can write we opt. We can obtain or we get, we can write it like that, we obtain or we get. We have to see this equation number 1. What is this equation number 1? Let us read again. 2x plus 3y equal to 11. 2x plus 3y equal to 11. We have to put the y value. So we can write 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y. 3 now y. 3 into y. Y value how much? 3y. Y equal to 5. 2x plus 3y equal to, what is this? 11. 2x plus 3y equal to 11. We can give here implies symbol, since there is a x term and already there is a equal symbol. So 2x equal to 11 is 11, and look at the left side of the equal symbol. Left side of the equal symbol, this part 2x we have written. We have not written this 3 into 5. 3 into 5 means what? 15. Plus 15 is changing the side, going to right side. Plus 15 is changing the side, going to right side. So plus 15 will be minus 15. Plus 15 will be minus 15. This is implies 2x equal to 11 minus 15 means how much? Minus 4. 2x equal to minus 4. 11 minus 15. Plus a minus, between these two number 15 is the bigger number. Before 15 there is a minus symbol, that's why we are using here minus symbol. This is implies 2x, it means x equal to 2 will come down, then minus 4 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. It means result is 2. But there is a minus symbol. That's why minus 2. Now we got x value is minus 2. Y value is 5. X value is minus 2. Y value is 5. Now according to the question we have to find what? M. We have to find the value of M. So we can write here. We can write down in your answer copy. So you can write here. Now what is given? Try to write down. What is given? This is the given part. Y equal to mx plus y equal to mx plus 3. Since we can write here, this is given part. This is the given part. We can write here given y equal to mx plus 3. Now what we have to find? We have to find the m value. So we have to keep this mx is constant. Mx cannot, no need to change the side. So mx is constant. Now 3 is changing the side, coming to y side. So 3 changing side means plus 3 will be minus 3. Plus 3 will be minus 3. This is implies. We have to find what actually? We have to find the x value. So x equal to, this m will go down and y minus 3 is y minus 3. X equal to, m will come down, then y minus 3 is y minus 3. This is implies x, we have done a small mistake here. We have to find, what is the question? We have to find the m value. So m should be here. We have to find the m value. So m is here, then x will come down. M is here and x will come down here. So m equal to y minus 3 divided by x. Therefore m equal to y minus 3. Now what was the y value? Y value was y equal to 5. Look at the previous side. So y equal to 5 minus 3. M value, what was the x value? For finding this m value we have to put, denominator was x. So x value how much? Minus 2. X value how much? Minus 2. This is implies m equal to 5 minus 3. How much? 2. Minus 2 is minus 2. So 2 divided by minus 2. How much? 2 by 2, 1. Since there is a minus symbol, so it will be minus 1. It will be minus 1. So m equal to 2 divided by minus 2. 2 by 2, 1. Then for this minus symbol, minus 1. So at last we can write what? Therefore what was the x value? X equal to, how much you got? Minus 2, comma. X equal to how much you got? Minus 2, comma. Y equal to how much you got? Y equal to 5. And m equal to how much you got? Minus 1. So this is the answer. X equal to minus 2, y equal to 5, m equal to minus 1. So this is the final answer. First of all, what we have to do in this problem, we have written two given equation. Then from there we can see the similar term is 2x 2x. Then since these two are same, we have to see the symbols. One, both are positive, so we have choose subtracting method. In this subtraction we have to change the symbols. For changing the symbols, there will be plus 4y, there will be plus 24, there will be minus 2x. From there we find out the y value, y equal to 5. Then we are putting the y value in the equation number 1. Since the equation number 1 there is no any negative symbol. After putting this equation number 1 y value, then we are getting the x value is minus 2. So when we got x value is minus 2, y value is 5, then we have to see the last part of the question. We have to find m for the expression y equal to mx plus 3. So y equal to mx plus 3. So we have to find the m value, that's why mx we keep it constant, then plus 3 changing the side, it is coming minus 3. Then we are finding m value, so x will come down here like that, y minus 3 divided by x. Then m equal to, we are putting y value 5 and x value minus 2. Then m equal to 5 minus 3, it is 2.